Hey there guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'll show you how to add your Clipper card to Apple Wallet. Okay, with this setup you can basically use your iPhone or Apple Watch to pay for transit without carrying the physical card. So let's dive right in guys, okay? So step number one, you actually just want to ensure that your iPhone is actually updated to the latest iOS version and your Apple Wallet is set up. If you use an Apple Watch, make sure it's paired with your phone and updated too. Then, guys, what you want to do is you want to open up the Wallet app and just tap on the plus sign in the upper right corner to basically just add a new card. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to select the Clipper card option, okay, from the list. If you don't see it, guys, make sure region is set to a location where Clipper cards are actually supported, such as the San Francisco Bay Area, right? You can choose that as an option, just the option that has actually been supported. Next, guys, what you want to do is you want to choose whether to actually transfer an existing a physical Clipper card or purchase a new digital one. If you're transferring, just follow the on-screen instructions to enter your card details, or just tap on your card on the back of your phone for NFC scanning. And guys, once the process is actually complete, your Clipper card would now appear in the wallet app. Okay, you can now use your phone or Apple Watch to pay for transit just by holding it near a contactless reader. Okay, and that's it, guys. That's it. You have successfully added your Clipper card to your Apple Wallet. If this tutorial was helpful, guys, don't forget to like, comment. Of course, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. See you guys in the next one.